Ever found yourself staring at a screen, a little box popping up, asking for an access code, and your mind just goes blank? Especially when you're dealing with something as crucial as your crypto assets? Today, we're demystifying a key element of the Tangem wallet experience, the Tangem access code. Many of us are familiar with the concept of a seed phrase, those 12 or 24 seemingly random words that are the ultimate key to your crypto. And for good reason, they're the standard for many self-custodial wallets. But then you hear about Tangem, a sleek, card-shaped hardware wallet, and people start talking about an access code instead of a seed phrase. This often leads to a bit of confusion and, understandably, some questions about security. Is it less secure? Is it just a fancy name for a seed phrase? Let's dive in. First, let's establish what the Tangem access code isn't. It's not a seed phrase in the traditional sense. Tangem's core innovation lies in its approach to key generation and storage. Unlike most hardware wallets that display a seed phrase for you to write down, Tangem cards generate and store your private key directly on the card's secure chip. This chip is certified with CCEAL6 Plus security, a very high level of protection, making it extremely resistant to tampering and extraction. Your private key never leaves the card. So, if your private key is on the card, what's the access code for? The Tangem access code serves as your personal, chosen password that encrypts and protects the private key stored on your Tangem card. Think of it as an extra layer of security, a PIN for your digital assets. When you first activate your Tangem card, you set this access code. Every time you want to make a transaction, confirm an address, or even just check your balance within the Tangem app, you'll be prompted to enter this code. Now, you might be thinking, if the private key is on the card and never leaves, why do I need an access code? And what if I forget it? Great questions. The access code is crucial because it prevents unauthorized access to your funds even if someone physically gets hold of your Tangem card. Without your specific access code, they cannot interact with the private key on the card. It's like having a physical vault, the Tangem card with its secure chip, and then a combination lock, your access code, on that vault. Both are necessary. What if you forget your access code? This is where Tangem's unique backup system comes into play. Unlike single hardware wallets where forgetting your PIN or losing your seed phrase can mean permanent loss of funds, Tangem uses a multi-card backup system. When you set up your first Tangem card, you can add up to 2 additional cards to your wallet set. These cards become interconnected, meaning any one of them can be used to recover access to your funds if another card is lost, damaged, or if you forget the access code associated with a specific card. This multi-card setup fundamentally changes the recovery paradigm. If you forget the access code for card A, you can use card B from the same wallet set to set a new access code for card A, or simply continue using card B to manage your assets. This eliminates the vulnerability of a single point of failure like a written seed phrase and provides a more user-friendly recovery experience. In essence, the Tangem access code is your personal passphrase that unlocks the highly secure private key stored within your Tangem card. It's a vital component of their security model, offering a robust defense against unauthorized access, and it's beautifully complemented by their multi-card backup system for peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.